Sterile manufacturing. Water systems. Content. Purpose. Water treatment plant and distribution systems. Qualifications. Flow rate. Water for injection. Risk of biofilm. Monitoring. Excursions. Closing remarks. Purpose. The purpose of this presentation is to provide a comprehensive overview of the requirements and best practices for the design, operation, and maintenance of water systems in sterile manufacturing. It aims to highlight the importance of maintaining water quality, preventing microbial contamination, and ensuring compliance with regulatory standards. By adhering to these guidelines, manufacturers can ensure the production of safe and effective sterile products. Water treatment plant and distribution systems. Ensure systems are designed, constructed, installed, commissioned, qualified, monitored, and maintained to prevent microbiological contamination. Implement measures to minimize the presence of particulates, microbial contamination, and endotoxins. Carefully monitor and maintain system filters. Qualification. Ensure water complies with the current monograph of the relevant pharmacopoeia. Validate and qualify water systems to maintain control levels, considering seasonal variations. Flow rate. Maintain turbulent water flow to prevent microbial adhesion and biofilm formation. Establish and monitor flow rate during qualification. Water for injections, WFI. Produce WFI from water that meets defined specifications and minimize microbial growth through constant circulation at high temperatures. Use distillation or equivalent purification processes for WFI production. Ensure vent filters do not become contamination sources and maintain their integrity. Risk of biofilm. Perform regular sterilization, disinfection, or regeneration to prevent biofilm formation. Follow chemical disinfection with validated rinsing procedures. Test water post-disinfection to ensure compliance before use. Monitoring. Conduct regular chemical and microbial monitoring to ensure water meets expectations. Reassess alert levels periodically based on qualification and monitoring data. Review monitoring data to identify adverse trends. Develop sampling programs that reflect contamination control strategies. Excursions. Document and review alert level excursions, investigate root causes, and assess potential impacts. Implement continuous monitoring systems for WFI to ensure system performance. Closing remarks. In conclusion, maintaining high standards in the design and operation of water systems is critical for sterile manufacturing. By implementing robust monitoring, qualification, and maintenance practices, we can minimize risks and ensure the consistent production of high-quality water. Continuous vigilance and adherence to best practices will help us stay compliant with regulatory requirements and protect the integrity of our products. Thank you for your attention, and let's work together to uphold these standards in our water systems. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com.